Hello all, this is Muhammad and I'm here back with another website of mine which I've created recently. This project is about e-commerce website. This project involved building a dynamic digital platform which is focused on empowering users to access service offering. It is seamless integration of educational content, which is including blogs and guides, along with the service promotion e-commerce website, which involves designing, development, content, and marketing. Now let's have a look at the first landing page, the home of this website. This is what it is. We've got popular categories, we've got new arrival products, featured products, and the advantage is clearly displaying why exactly you need to go for these products. We've got a side menu for the products which is being displayed. Apart from that, a blog as well, clearly identifying exactly what is that you're looking for. We've got a header and a footer, and the second page is about us page. It's the about us page, and this we've got a sub menu which has got products being displayed in the form of a menu, whichever you want to select accordingly. You can go ahead and click on it. You can add it to the cart. Along with that, we have just also added virtual website designing consultancy service. We've got an ebook as well for web designing master course. A blog section that we've included the blog section, and we've got a contact us page as well. Now, if you select a particular product and add it to the cart, this is what is done. Once it's added to the cart, you go ahead and check out, and then you accordingly go ahead and make a payment in order to deliver. You either opt for cash on delivery or you make a payment through Razorpay. That's it from my end. Thank you so much for watching.